Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9 Standard Subject English.
Dear children, hope you fine and safe. Today I am going to discuss answers to the questions in chapter 2, The Sound of Music, part 2, The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Check your answers and write in your classwork notebook neatly and clearly. Now I'll discuss the answers. Roman letter 1. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words. First one. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the pungi? Answer. Aurangzeb banned the playing of the pungi because it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. Second one. How is a shehnai different from a pungi? Answer. A shehnai is a pipe with a natural hollow stem that is longer and broader than a pungi. It has 7 holes on the body of the pipe. Third question. Where was the shehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Answer. The shehnai was played traditionally in the temples, at the royal courts, and on the occasion of weddings. The credit must go to Bismillah Khan to take this instrument onto the classical stage. Fourth one. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Answer. Bismillah Khan got his big break with the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. Fifth question. Where did Bismillah Khan play the shehnai on 15th August 1947? Why was the event historic? Answer. Bismillah Khan played the shehnai on 15th August 1947 at Red Fort. He was the first Indian to greet the nation with his musical instrument. This event was historic because we got independence on that day. He poured his heart out in the presence of a large number of people, including Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a shehnai school in the USA? Answer. Bismillah Khan refused to start a shehnai school in the USA because he never wanted to leave India. He loved India so much and he did not want to settle anywhere except India. That is why whenever he was in a foreign country, he kept yearning to see Hindustan. Seventh question. Find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Benares. Answer. Bismillah Khan loves India and Benares from the bottom of his heart. He says that he misses the holy Ganga and India when he goes abroad. While in Mumbai, he thinks of only Benares and the holy river. And when he is in Benares, he remembers the unique Mata of Dhumraun. Now I'll discuss the long answer. Describe in brief the early life of Bismillah Khan. What are the various awards that were conferred on him? Answer. Bismillah Khan came from a very simple family background. His childhood passed in ancient estate of Dhumran in Bihar. He went to Banaras at the age of 6. Here he learned Shehnai under his maternal uncle Ali Bugs. He took Indian classical music all over the world. Bismillah Khan started winning awards from the age of 14. He got the Best Performance Awards at the Indian Music Conference in Allahabad and 3 medals at Music Conference in 1947. The highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, was conferred on him. Now I will discuss second long answer. What is the Ustad Bismillah Khan's contribution to the development of Shehnai? Answer. Bismillah Khan was introduced to Shehnai at the early age of 6 by his maternal uncle Ali Bugs. With his hard work and dedication, he popularized Shehnai and brought to the classical stage. Ustad Bismillah Khan got recognition in the world of music at national and international level. He invented ragas on the Shehnai. His themes were related to ethos of temples and human relations. He turned these themes into ragas at the bank of the flowing river Ganga. He was fascinated by the beauty and serenity of holy Ganga. He told that the flowing water of holy river Ganga helped him to create many ragas through his Shehnai. Third long answer. Why does Banaras hold so much importance to Bismillah Khan? Answer. Bismillah Khan went to Banaras at the age of 6. His maternal uncle Ali Bugs played Shehnai at the Vishnu temple of Banaras. He introduced him to the Shehnai. Temples of Banaras and flowing water of Ganga played very important role in his life. Bismillah Khan sat captivated for hours at temples to listen the music. He spent his many years at the temples of Balaji and Mangalamaya. Thus, these were the training centers for learning the Shehnai. Ganga and Banaras had deep impression on him. Throughout his life, he was attached to Banaras and the Ganga. He never wanted to leave the banks of Ganga and live in a foreign country. That's all, students. We'll discuss writing part and grammar in the next session. Thank you very much.